How to change duration of photos on CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing how to do it step by step. First, open your project on CapCut, as I have already opened it, and I have also added some clips to it, as I have added 5 clips in my project. Now, in order to change the duration of photos, all you have to do is click on the photo you just added and drag its edge like this. As you drag the edge, your video clip will be shorter. If you drag it like this, it will be longer. Just adjust it in your own way. Now for the second clip, repeat the same process. Adjust it by dragging its edge like this. In this way, you can adjust the duration of photos and videos in CapCut. You can also split it by clicking on this split and click the next one. Delete it and adjust it like this. As you can see, the 4 clips has been adjusted in your project. And that's it. I hope you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.